look, I'ma walk in like this. What's up, ma? What's going on? Finna break that back or that little jaw. Kitty purring, and you know I'm fucking wild. Put back, scratching man coming from her claws. Stepped up, nah, nigga, I'm a fucking boss. Hustler and bitch, man, I am bitching to just fall. So you copying this gram or nah? Shout out real niggas, man, they need a fucking applause. And because you out, man, you need some fucking gauze. Why you so brittle? Is guap the cause? Set it off like a alarm, burning up like some tar. Got some trails like some cars dripping from a farm. Look, I'ma walk how I wanna walk. Man, I'ma talk like I wanna talk. Got stripes, got battle scars. Underestimated from the start. But now they yelling guap. Thought I was just finna stop. Nah, this a motherfucking lie. Man, you see Pluto, you see Mars. Now you're looking at a fucking star. Man, I'm buster ass fools, they get marked. Toe tag then sent off. Now I'm coolin' with a whole bunch of thoughts. Man, these bitches, man, they off the wall. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Oh shit, what's going on, bitch? Next thing I know, they closes off. Man, I'm offset, boy, I'm finna take off. I gotta love me some ratchet bars. Take ghetto hoes, man, I love the odds. Keep them for a week, then I palm. Man, you must be thinking I'm tripping, boy, I'm tweaked off. Nah, hood bitches just different. Pussy bushy is exclusive. Man, you know Steezy, man, he keep it pimpin'. No interruption, bitch, just fucking listen. Not with that sing, this sing clout, you need your fixing. Preaching like you're a Christian, but something on boy, something's just missing. Wait, what the fuck am I thinking? You're broke and simping. I'm the villain of the village, chillin' nigga, I'm the chillest man. Bitch, I'm deadly, I'm sickening. Evil eyes, fuck the mental wicked. Never catch me throwing no fucking fist. Man, I let these hollow teams just sneak in. Yeah, the smell of burning flesh in the kitchen. Whipping up bricks and twisting mischief. This is some real tool sickness. Guapo, Mr. Show stopping, Mr. Sneezing. It's the matter of the principle. I got it so fucking simple. Look, time's getting critical. Baby, let's get physical.
What's up, girl?
Wrapped up, served fresh like some Quiznos. Man, I trapped from a subway, moving some miracles. They said, boy, his bars weak, he ain't lyrical.